Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys doing today? Today I am coming to you and I am bringing you some strawberries. So I purchased, let me turn that down. I purchased some strawberries from Lowe's and these buckets. So I also made me some holes, if you guys can see, all around with my soldering iron, and I also put some holes at the bottom for the drainage. And we are going to plant some strawberries. So I have a strawberry tower out in my yard, and I'm just going to add to this, to my strawberry collection for this year. So what I'm going to do first is I have some leaves that I got from my neighbor's yard, and I'm going to put the leaves in first just to build up the bucket so that I don't use too much soil for the strawberries. But before I do that, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all my new YouTube people that is just joining us. Thank you. Thank you to my current subscribers that's been rocking with me. Thank you. And now let's jump in and plant some strawberries. But it looks like you. All right, so I have my bucket, and what I'm going to do is take the leaves and just fill it up with the leaves. Just like that. And so we don't want to go too close to the holes because we still want to fill the holes up with soil. And I only put the holes on one side of the bucket, because I didn't want them to get tangled up in this section. So I'm gonna push that down and add a little bit more into here. Press it down, and then I'm going to add my soil. And I apologize in advance for my sniffing. The dirt aggravates my sinuses, allergies, all of that. So now just taking the soil and filling it up to the holes as close as I can get. And so I've had the strawberries actually soaking in water for about 5 minutes, not too long. This is my first time actually planting strawberries, so I'm not a pro at this. So this is the crowns, and I'm just gonna take them and I'm gonna push this to the side, make sure I don't drop anything. And I'm just gonna take the crown and kind of put it through that hole. There's another piece to this. Okay, just like that. And then I'm just gonna cover that particular crown up with soil. And I'm just gonna do that with all of the crowns that I have in here. It's supposed to be 10. I'm not sure if it's exactly 10 or not. just like that. Might pull him. He should be good. Can you guys see what I'm doing? So I just put this one in right here. So I'm gonna move over to this one, and then I'm gonna take me another crown. So this is what it looks like. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take and I'm going to pull it through the hole right there. You see it coming out of the hole. And then I'm just gonna put some soil on top of it. So that is 1, 2, 3, and then we have one more over here. The directions say you're supposed to rinse them off, but I'm not doing all that. I did soak them in the soil for about 5 minutes, and now I'm covering them up. So then, now that I have everything covered, I am going to add some add a little bit of this garden tone. It's for herbs and vegetables, but I don't see where it would actually hurt the strawberries. And I'm going to add a little citrus. That is the citrus. And I'm going to add a handful of that also. And then I'm going to manipulate that in. Just like that. Press it down slightly. And then add some soil on top of that. Just like so. And with a and what I'm going to do now is add a couple of more holes to the top. So actually I changed my mind. So what I'm gonna do, since I have that layer of soil right there, I'm just gonna add another layer of the leaves. Just to kind of fill it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna add another layer of soil. And then I'm going to add my other, that's a little bitty one right there. So you're not supposed to plant the crowns. So I didn't spread out the roots at the bottom, but I'm going to spread out these just a little bit. One, two, three. Four. Five. Okay, so that's 5 around the side and 5. Oh wait. Oh shucks. It looks like I have more than 5. Okay. I'll take that. I'll put one right here. And then looks like this is the last one. And I'm gonna put him right here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the top. Let's move him over a little bit. Okay, 6 at the top and then 5 at the bottom, so we have 11. All right. Make sure I don't cover them. Like I said before, guys, this was my first time planting strawberries. I know the crowns don't like to be wet. Here's my spray bottle. And they don't like to be covered. So what I'm gonna do is kind of wet them to get the dirt from the soil from around them. All right, so that is my strawberries, guys. So if you guys can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have 5 on this side. All right, y'all, thank you guys for watching this video. And if you want to know, I got this from Walmart, the compressed pack pro mix garden mix. So that was like 10 something at Walmart. It's compacted, but it's really light, so that's why I liked it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do post new videos. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until I see you again in the next video, guys. Peace. Go grow some strawberries. Bye-bye.